In this video, I will show you how to integrate your Shopify store into your tawk.to AI assist. Let's get started. To use this function, you need to have an active Shopify store and an activated AI Assist feature on tawk.to. AI Assist will source data from Shopify and use it to respond to the inquiry of the customer. First, on your Shopify account, you need to install the tawk.to widget. On your Shopify dashboard, hover your mouse over the apps, which is located on the left side of the screen. Click Apps and a search bar will appear. Search for tawk.to Live Chat, select the tawk.to application, and then click on Install. Once finished installing, it will ask you to log in to your tawk.to account. Just enter your tawk.to username and password, and then click the Login button. After logging in, it will ask you to configure the widget that will be shown in your store. Just select the property that you manage in tawk.to by clicking the drop-down and select the widget on the second drop-down, and then click the green button that says Use Selected Widget. For this to work, you also need to enable the application in your theme. So click the Storefront theme, and then enable the button to let the widget start functioning. Now let's go back to the tawk.to website. Go to AI Settings and then click on the API integration, scroll down, and you will see the Shopify section. Simply click on the Add Tool button, and that's it. AI Assist will now start using the data from your Shopify account to respond to the inquiry of the customer. For more detailed instructions on using this feature, please visit our community center or schedule a call with an AI Assist specialist by clicking the link in the description.